Welcome back to my channel. Today, instead of having El Camino video, I'll be doing a Corvette video. The Corvette was my first build, but I was on and off with it, so I ain't never finished it, and I went off to college. But now I'm back home, so for this summer, I'm gonna finish this build. The El Camino is out of state right now, so I'm gonna be working on the Corvette for the next 3-4 weeks until I get the El Camino. So this is the car right here. I had this car since I was about 14. Yeah, I bought this car when I was 14. I'm 19 now. I've been working on it. Not really been working on it, but I ain't had no money to work on it. So I just do what I could for the past 4-5 years. But I've been on and off with it. I redid all this, everything in here. It looked pretty good. I gotta change the AC compressor. That's bad. But when I got to this stage, I needed another carburetor and a radiator, but I didn't have one, so I couldn't start it up. And that's what this build stopped at. But I'm gonna take the engine back out because on the El Camino I had leaks. So on this engine, I'm gonna take it back out, completely out, rip it apart, change all the gaskets, seal it up, repaint it, redo everything on the engine. So when that time comes, I won't have no problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, rebuild that, new gaskets, sealer, everything. And then, but this video, I'm gonna focus on cleaning up this area, cleaning up all this, and working on bodywork from this door on back. Before I start working, I'm gonna show clips of everything I did for this car for the time I had it. I somewhat cleaned it up. I gotta finish cleaning it up. For this, I'm gonna start with the top part. Get everything sanded down. Gold sanded down. Come this way. So I'm gonna start with this whole back area first. Then move on to the door, 2 roofs and the other door. So sanding this area for about 45 minutes, I decided to just take all the paint off. Take it down to where it's bare, no paint, no primer, no nothing on that. So I could do all about it with myself and get everything perfectly good, and then put primer on it and paint it. But this right here all the way down, all this right here all the way down. Most of everything back here completely sanded down bare. The whole top completely sanded down bare. Most of this right here, most of that, most of this door is sanded bare. I gotta take off these door handles, locks, and all the trim pieces. For this side, I got most of this whole door sanded down. Just gotta do this area like other side, door handles, locks. I did all that. I gotta finish this area, come across, and then we'll do these 2 next videos. This whole area, next video, including the hood. Also, next video, we're gonna be doing, strip all this and try to recreate this area that's damaged. That's the end of part 3 for the 1974 Corvette build. For part 3, it was basically just a recap video with a little bit of body work. For part 4, I'm gonna focus on the body work mainly. Taking out all the door handles and all the little stuff I gotta take off, and then focus on body work so I can get it in primer. But since I'm home for the summer, there'll be a new video every Monday at 8 o'clock for the whole summer until mid-August. So from now to mid-August, there'll be a video every Monday at 8 p.m. But if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe.